here's another simple 4-row repeat. It gives you a really nice lace kind of detail with these zigzag lines in between what looks like columns. Here's the back. Now this pattern is worked over a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. So in this example I'm doing 6 repeats, so 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1, that's 19, and I've added a selvage stitch at each edge. So for this example I've cast it on 21 stitches. And it is a simple 4-row repeat, and it's important to note that this pattern begins, row 1 actually begins on a wrong side row. So rows 1 and 3 are wrong side rows, and rows 2 and 4 are right side rows. Let's get started. Row 1. We'll knit the selvage stitch, purl 2, knit 1, and repeat that. Purl 2, knit 1 to the last stitch. We'll purl that last stitch and knit the selvage stitch. All the selvage stitches will be knit. Row 2, we'll knit the selvage stitch, we'll knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, 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 knit 1, last time, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, and we'll knit that selvage stitch. Row 3, knit that selvage stitch, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and we'll repeat those 3 stitches. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, 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 last time, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and we will purl the last stitch and knit the selvage stitch. Row 4 in the last row, because this is a 4-row repeat. So the last row we will knit the selvage stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, 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 knit 1, last one, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1, and we will knit the selvage stitch. And those are the 4 rows. Just keep repeating rows 1 through 4